Welcome to English Shoja.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi adab. Welcome to English Shoja with Salim sir, class 8 English, 16-week assignment topic. Your school observes the International Mother Language Day every year. Early in the morning, wearing black parents, students and teachers go to the Shahid Minar in barefoot procession. They sing morning songs and place flowers at the Shahid Minar as a sign of respect. Think how you celebrated the International Mother Language Day last year in your school and write a short paragraph in 200 words. In your writing, use the following clause. When did you reach school? Number 2. Number 1. Number 2. Who did you go with? Number 3. When did the program begin? Number 4. What activities were taken place? Number 5. Did you take part in any of the activities? Number 6. Which activity did you enjoy most? Number 7. When was the program ended? So my dear student, তোমরা তোমাদের ইংলিশ অ্যাসাইনমেন্টের টপিকটা জানলা এবং এই ইংলিশ অ্যাসাইনমেন্টের কিভাবে আনসার করবা সেটি নিয়ে এখন আমি কাজ করছি। ক্লাস 8 ইংলিশ 16 উইক অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট অ্যান্সারটা কিভাবে তোমরা লিখবা। ক্লাস 8 প্রথমত সাবজেক্ট লিখবা ইংলিশ, অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট নং 05, অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট টাইটেল দিবা তোমরা ইন্টারন্যাশনাল মাদার ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ ডে। আমি এখানে একটা চমৎকারভাবে একটা ইমেজ দিয়ে দিয়েছি, হ্যাঁ, শহীদ মিনারের। দ্য 21st February is a red letter day in our national life of our Bangladesh. Every year on this day, the whole nation comes to the martyrs' monument and the ritual seems to effect a purification of souls. In the morning, I got up and went the Shahid Minar with my father barefoot and took flowers. Our program starts at 10 a.m. and many of my friends spoke there. There are many important issues of Language Day. On this day in 1952, the brave sons of Mother Bengal laid down their lives to protect the interest of the mother language. After the birth of Pakistan, the ruler of the West Pakistan wanted to impose Urdu on the Bengali speaking people as the state language of Pakistan. But every day, especially the students of the East Pakistan demanded Bengali as the state language. As a result, the language movement took place, and on 21st February 1952, Rafiq, Salam, Barkat, Jabbar, Shafiq and so on sacrificed their lives. Many were injured and hundreds were arrested. There are millions of martyrs monuments in our country. Every year on this day, people came to these monuments and offer their respect to the martyrs. The government, different organizations and institutions arrange program to celebrate the day. Besides, according to a singular decision of the UNESCO 1 November 17, 1999, this day is now the International Mother Language Day. The first International Mother Language Day has been observed all over the world with due respect in 2000. On this day, in Masses, UN Secretary, United Nations, UN means United Nations, Secretary General Kofi Annan said, this day will help to raise awareness among the nations of the world about the enduring value of their languages. This day possesses a great influence for the whole nation as it did in the past. This will go on the future too. In fact, this movement influenced and led the nation to its liberation. However, yet we find inspiration from the dreamy blue of this movement. Our language movement on 21 February is a unique event in the history of human civilization. We are really glorified by the declaration of the UNESCO that turned a civilization. We are really glorified by the declaration of the UNESCO that turned a national celebration to an international event. We are proud of our language matters. There are also various cultural events throughout the day which I and my friends enjoy a lot together, and from this I learned a lot about Language Day. Finally, the program ended with the speech of the head teacher or principal. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.